they rescue my kids April 26, 2024. And then after a few weeks, I received the case. And then, yeah, I fight for my attorney. I fight together with my attorney. Yes, I can bail that two case. I can bail that. But after that, they file another case of me, another child abuse and human trafficking. So the human trafficking is no bail. So I cannot bail that. So that's what makes me go to jail, and I will fight that in the court to prove that I did not do anything of my kids. I will always pray to God because He only know what is the truth. This is the lesson, guys, that foreigners don't trust a foreigner. Tommy is the reason why. Tommy is the reason why. Tommy is the reason why